Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna take down these braids now, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to take down the braids, how to separate the braids, and then how to fluff. So stay tuned. So we are starting off with our oil, black mango castor oil, and I'm going to put that all over my hair, coat my hands with it, coat my fingertips with it, and I'm going to start separating and undoing these braids. I'm going to do it slowly. Take your time. Try your best not to rush. You don't want to make it frizzy. Of course, it'll get a little frizzy, but you're trying your best to make it not frizzy because we still have to separate these chunks. I typically start just unraveling the braid, and then sometimes I'll even take 2 strands, usually the outer ones, and pull it like that, and it helps make it go faster because taking down these braids is a freaking workout. I don't know about y'all, that's the only thing that deters me from doing braid outs, is because taking down the braids take longer than taking down a twist out. So, but my payoff is amazing with braid outs, so I'm trying my best to learn a faster way to take them down and still get that definition. And when I do learn, I'll let y'all know. But for the most part, this is as fast as I can go with saving the definition. So the braids I did kind of small, so it's going to take me a little while to unravel them, but making sure your fingertips are coated with whatever oil of choice. I told y'all I've been feeling the mango castor oil from tropical, from Jamaica, mango lime. It smells good. It coats my hair really well. I have less frizz when I use it. I typically use a lot of my castor oil in the winter time, but I don't know, this summer I'm not really outside that much, so the castor oil has been hitting differently. I have a lot of favorite oils that I'll be showing soon. I may even do like a grow with me challenge coming up, because I'm really been giving my hair a lot of TLC lately, and it's been paying off. It's been flourishing. So remember when I told you to make sure you braid tightly so you can get optimal definition? That's part of my technique. I twist tightly, I braid tightly, so that my definition is popping. I don't like to retwist my hair or rebraid my hair during the week. I put a lot of time installing my hair, so I want it to last the whole week. So this is how I get it to last. I can wear my hair down up to 5 days, and usually by the 6th day or the 7th day I put it up, or if I am going to work, I usually put my hair up, so it may go up before that if I'm working, but for the most part, this is why we do it tightly. This is why. So I am going to continue to take these out, and then we will come back and separate these junks real quick. And I want you to do it with me. I want y'all to when you do your next braid out, you turn on this video and we do it step by step so that you can get optimal definition and say tip of all trades got you right, or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So we can do this together. You can use the same products, you can use different products. I feel like for braid outs, as long as you have a light gel, if you have type 4 hair, if it's kinky, if it's frizz prone, then a light gel with a cream will do you justice. You know, I had a cream. I also put in a leave-in, but I usually put my leave-in in the shower after I rinse my deep conditioner out. So that's that. So keep watching, and we will go down and break down how we separate them in a few minutes. Braided. So we're gonna take 1 strand of the unraveled twist. We have our hands coated with oil, and we're gonna start just going down the shaft of the hair until we see where it wants to separate. You see, that's where it wants to separate. And then you can finger coil the bottom and see it starts to separate on its own. That's how you separate it. See, it's separating on its own there. You let it go. So that's how you keep your definition. So we separated this area. Now I'm gonna take my comb, I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna start fluffing the roots so I don't have to come back and do it. See how it starts to come out? You're gonna play more at the roots than at the ends of your hair. And you see how it's starting to come out a little bit? That's how I do it. I separate, and then in sections, I start to fluff the roots. Then we go on to the next section. Sorry about my chair, I'm gonna get a new chair. And then we start to separate again. Here are the results. Are you feeling the pink tips of my hair? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. Ew. So make sure if you like what you see here, you like and subscribe.